Hey crafty friends, here is another project created for my friend and subscriber Amanda Wireman. She has been ultra patient with me. She sent me my goodie box before Halloween or right after Halloween, one of the two. And she has waited this long and been so super patient. So instead of creating one project for her, this is my second project for her. And Amanda, I appreciate that I had this to do for you because I genuinely did not have motivation to craft. I just did the other video, and in the video I said when we moved into our new home at, up on top of the mountain, I just felt like maybe elevation was causing this blockage for me. And fortunately, needing to create these shabby projects really gave me motivation, and I feel like it's back. So I have other projects lined up. I have the papers already here, the embellishments, and I'm gonna get going. So anyway, this particular project is made to be a wall hanging. So here is how she's gonna hang it. I did ask her about the word she would prefer, and I listed about 5 different words that I had, and she picked blessed. So I used one of those really inexpensive frames, wooden frames you can get at Michael's, and I put paper from the collection behind it. She selected the word blessed. I painted that, painted the wood, and then I fussy cut from the paper collection this paper behind the word blessed. And then I did pop it up to give it some more dimension. I added a nice flower cluster here with different sprays that you just can get at your local craft store and cut them apart and tuck them in your flower clusters. This butterfly was one of the additional, what do you call them? Ephemera from the collection. And so I added this one. I layered this one on top of the one that was on the paper collection. I did a lot of distressing and layering. There's a beautiful pink see how long it's been since I've done something like this? I can't even think. Applique. Kind of all the way around. I have the banner pieces coming down. I have layers of chipboard butterflies and then another butterfly from the collection. These words are also from a pack from this collection. This one says today, sweet life, and dream bigger. And then more flower clusters here and here, another layered butterfly. This paper collection is stunning. I don't remember the name of it, but I will list it in the title. And then I had these wood, or these were chipboard pieces that I put in these corners. And then I just love this fluffy trim. I layered the pearls across it, and then this is part of that applique that will dangle down. So I have my pearls kind of draping here. This is another embellishment from the collection, and then also are these hearts. So that is my beautiful wall hanging, shabby chic wall hanging for Miss Amanda Wireman. I did send her a picture of this project. I asked her if she wanted to see it. She said yes, so she's already seen it. But hopefully, little close-ups give you a little bit better details of this project. And again, Amanda, thank you for giving me something to need to work on so that I could get that creativity flowing again. And I'm super excited. I'm actually going to go in my craft room right now and kind of lay out my next project. So thank you for watching. Have a happy scrappy day. Bye.